Hey guys, so the best internship ever wagon has finally come down south. The last few days we spent at Hyderabad.
Okay, first of all, I really want to talk about the people of Hyderabad. The moment we stepped out of the Hyderabad station, there was this cop who, fought for us because the auto guy was charging more money from us for luggage. That's just impressive.
So Hyderabad may be known for high-tech city, but for me I think it was all about the rich culture and the heritage.
सीधा एक ही रोड है, वो स्ट्रेट जो गेट दिखता है ना, वो से एंट्री।
We landed at Secunderabad and we found this hotel called Times Square, the landmark, through Holiday IQ. I must say the place was very prominently located. They even had this restaurant attached called Bluebee, which dished out the most amazing of breakfast. Our stay at Hyderabad was made all the more happy by being able to come back to such aesthetically designed and comfy rooms. So off I go to write a review.
So what I saw was Hyderabad is a beautiful blend, a very beautiful blend of the Nizam and Nawab cuisine and styles, that style, and a mixture of that and the southern style.
The people out there were really simple, very calm, simple, They enjoy simple pleasures in life, like jasmine in your hair and idli on the roadside. It's a simple life out there.
We visited Golconda Fort, Charminar and Qutub Shahi tomb. Now, for me personally, I think these buildings told us stories. So stories as to how Nawab were travelers and how it was influenced. Everything was influenced from the Islamic and the Hindu culture.
Right now where I'm sitting is at the Hampi ruins, and we see centuries old architecture and monuments over here, and the stones here, right, the stone carvings here speak about a time long ago, and you get that feel as if the stones have come alive when you sit there.
Of all the places that I've visited in my life, this is one place that's like unique. I've never seen such a terrain. You know, probably I've seen hills and similar type of hills and forest and landscape, but this terrain is just, it'll blow your mind away. The moment you see those big rocks and those boulders, you simply, you know, spellbound. What is this? You know, what happened here? How was this formed? So many questions, they just go in the back of your head.
Hampi for me was the most awaited city for a student of architecture. It's a city that can inspire you to the highest order. And as you look around the whole place, you realize that the man-made things, the architecture, the buildings actually blends into the environment. And it's not recent. It's been started in like 1600s, and the whole process has been continued for years now. And that's the best part of it. That's like the way of living out there.
At Hampi, we stayed at the best hotel over there, Kayat Place, all thanks to Holiday IQ. Although very luxurious, it was designed with this whole core theme of being ecologically conscious. As such, they had all these measures to minimize water wastage, and they had huge big windows that let in ample natural sunlight in, and so the rooms were like very comfy and very functional. Even the staff, like, you know, they were very courteous and very helpful, and we really dug our stay there.